Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to charge your Xiaomi Watch S3. So inside your box, you get this charger, which is type A on one side. So you can plug this into a power source. It could be a charging brick. It could be an extension cable. It could be your laptop with a type A port. It could be a power bank even, or even your car charger. Okay, you can plug this anywhere, literally. And then the other side of this cable is this magnetic charging pad. So you have these two pins at the bottom of the watch, and you have to align them with these two pins on the charger. So just place it like that. It's gonna sit comfortably. And then as soon as you plug this other end into a power source, like that, your watch should start charging. Now this watch will go from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes. So it's a very fast charger, and that's basically how to charge this watch. There's really no other way of charging the watch. This is how you charge it. And if you lose this charger, then you're gonna have to get a new one. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.